Hi guys, this is Hamza from ImagineArt. In the last few videos, I walked you guys through each of the 4 generation modes on Kling Studio, so I can show you guys that what can actually be achieved with each of the 4 modes. In today's video, we're going to walk through the edit video functionality. So let's get started. So the first use case that we're going to talk about is the ability to remove elements from an existing video. I have this asset over here in front of me of a girl riding a bike. Now I want to remove the backpack that she has using Kling Studio. I'm going to select this over here and simply drag my asset over to the edit video mode. You can see how the video automatically gets tagged in my prompt box. Next, in normal language, I'm going to specify remove the backpack from girl's book. And we're going to click on generate. And there you have it. As you can see, Kling has seamlessly removed the backpack from the girl's back while maintaining all of the motion consistent across the entire video. Now moving on to the next use case. So I have this video over here with me where this girl's walking down the highway. And now I will be using the edit functionality, change the camera angle. So once again, I'm going to drag this asset to edit video over here. Once again, you see how the video gets tagged in the prompt box. Now I'll simply prompt in the natural language that change the camera angle to a top-down view. And we're going to click on generate. And there we have our results. As you can see, Kling has maintained that consistency in terms of the motion and all other details of the video, only changing the details that we asked it to change in a simple text prompt. This would be the camera angle. You see how consistently and how seamlessly it's integrated a top-down camera angle, which maintains that cohesion in a powerful generation which wouldn't have been possible in the past. So moving on to the third and the final use case, I'm going to now once again use this asset that we generated previously and drag it over to my edit video functionality. Again, it gets tagged in the prompt box. And this time I want to change the environment of the video. So I'm going to write change the environment of the video to a snowy suburban street. And we're also going to ask it to change the girl's outfit to match the environment. And we're going to click on generate. And we have our results for this one as well. So you can see how Kling has transformed the entire scenario and converted it into a winter environment and also changed her outfit how we wanted it to. So there you have it. 3 powerful use cases which were never possible before this until Kling Studio came along. And now you know how to use each one of them. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through another video generation mode. So stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.